When we think about the solar system, most of us probably have a clear image of what a planet is. But have you ever stopped to think about what actually makes a planet a planet? Defining what constitutes a planet is a challenge that astronomers have been grappling with for centuries. Some argue that a planet should be a certain size, while others believe that its orbit should be a key factor. And then there are those who argue that the very definition of a planet is outdated and needs to be re-examined. Take, for example, the case of Ceres, which was originally considered a planet, but is now classified as a dwarf planet. Or how about Haumea, which is shaped like a rugby ball and has a highly eccentric orbit? These examples highlight just how tricky it is to pin down a clear definition of a planet. New discoveries are being made all the time, and these discoveries often force us to reevaluate our existing definitions. This has led to some high-profile reclassifications over the years, which have sparked heated debates among astronomers and the general public alike. Astronomers use a number of criteria to define a planet, including its mass, composition, and orbit. A celestial body is classified as a planet if it meets certain criteria established by the International Astronomical Union, IAU. For a celestial body to be considered a planet, it must be massive enough to have a rounded shape, it must orbit the Sun, and it must have cleared its orbit of other objects. Dwarf planets, on the other hand, are celestial bodies that meet the first two criteria, but not the third. Other celestial bodies, like asteroids and comets, are smaller and have more elliptical orbits. The classification of a celestial body has real implications for our understanding of the solar system and the formation of planets. By studying the characteristics of different celestial bodies, astronomers can gain insights into the early days of our solar system and how it evolved over time. One of the most surprising reclassifications in recent years is that of Pluto. Once considered the 9th planet in our solar system, Pluto is now classified as a dwarf planet. This decision sparked a lot of debate, with many people feeling that Pluto had been unfairly demoted. Many people still think of Pluto as a planet, and some have even started petitions to try to get it reinstated as a full-fledged planet. The reclassification of Pluto has also led to a greater understanding of the diversity of celestial bodies in our solar system. So what have we learned about planetary classification? Planetary classification is a complex and evolving field, with new discoveries forcing us to reevaluate our definitions. We've seen that the classification of a celestial body has real implications for our understanding of the solar system. And we've seen that the debate over what makes a planet is far from over. So, what do you think? Do you have a favorite planet that you think should still be classified as a planet? Let me know in the comments below.